How you doing today, guys? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we are going to show you how to replace the white clips on your V2 arm. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we're down here at the chair, and what we're trying to accomplish here today is if your arms are a little wiggly or wobbly like that, these white clips right here will alleviate that problem. So we're going to go ahead and get started by taking our 5-inch flathead, putting it underneath the arm into the slot, giving it a little twist, get it up in there. Since we have that, we're going to pry the outside cover up slightly, remove the screwdriver, slight pressure upwards, and the cover should release. We're going to go back to our flathead, depress the plastic black clip underneath while holding the arm pad button and lifting up. From there, we're going to remove the outside cover. And you can see here we do not have the white clips. I'm going to insert those one at a time, like so. And the other one, like so. We're going to put the arm down, go back to the outside cover, put that over top on an angle, and gently rotate while pushing down. Might get hung up down here a little bit, but the cover should go on nicely. From there, we're going to take our arm with the button facing out, press the button, insert the arm into the chair, and that's all, folks. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. That's pretty much it on how to replace the white clips on your V2 arm. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.